Hello! It's nighttime. I think this is the first time that I'm vlogging at night. I'm on my way to Dangwa. Don't mind that naglalakad ako because I'm going to meet my friend sa isang street dito and then we're going to go to Dangwa. Hello! Kamusta kayo? I'm on my way to Dangwa. Pero bago muna yon, makikipagkita ako sa friend ko dahil sasama daw siya sa akin papunta sa Dangwa. Gabi talaga ang pagpunta sa Dangwa because ang bagsakan ng mga flowers that are fresh happens at night. So I'm going there now. Tapos, yun, kasi death anniversary ng dad ko at saka yung brother ko. Birthday naman sa Monday. So, bilang ko sila ng bulaklak and then I'll arrange them at home. Okay?
Nanggaling na ako sa Dangwa, napasod ako. Sorry naman, hindi ako nakapag-vlog ng pamilya na that I have that. Mamaya na lang nga.
Okay, so here's what we will use in today's arrangement. Meron tayong dahon ng rosal. This orange one is the crocosmia. And then this is the zingiber. This is calla lily. And then we have two kinds of mums, white and yellow. And silum. Halika, magsimula na tayo. For this one, gumamit tayo ng basket as a receptacle. And then I lined it with aluminum foil. Yung iba ginagamit supot, that's fine. If you want to use aluminum foil like I did, go for it. And then, gagamit tayo ng floral foam. Yung floral foam na to, this was soaked in water. Okay, nabibig ito sa Dangwa. This was soaked in water and nandito to para mas madali yung pagtusok ng mga flowers. Okay? So, usually when I start arranging, I start with yung mga dahon para at least nalalagay na natin, nalilayout na natin, and then after that I start with the flowers.
Kung magpuputol kayo ng stem, always make sure to do it with an angle. In that way, mas madali siyang matusok sa floral foam.
Now, ilalagay na natin ang mga dahon ng rosal. Make sure to cut it na tama lang ang proportion sa ating ginagawang arrangement. Ngayon naman ilalagay na natin ang mga zingiber. After that, ang calla lily naman. Meron lang tayong dalawang nabili, so pwede na to. Now, it's time for the crocosmia. Ilalagay natin siya all across the arrangement para lang i-scatter natin.
Ngayon naman ilalagay na natin yung mums. Lalagay na natin yung yellow at saka white. Imimekus-mekus natin para spread out siya throughout the arrangement. Finishing touches na lang. So ilalagay natin ang crocosmia everywhere in the arrangement para mapuno ang overall look. At ayan na nga, natapos na ang ating arrangement, ready for delivery. Thank you very much. Like and subscribe.